Tomorrow marks 1 week since widespread flooding hit southeast Kelowland. Madison is just one of the towns hit hard. Both Silver and Memorial Creeks overflowed, causing damage to homes. Kelowland's Sarah McDonald is back from Madison. Sarah?
Brady, city crews are out this week picking up debris from people's homes. I spoke with one person who says he lost at least half of his belongings. Nearly a week after flooding hit the city of Madison, homeowners are cleaning up the damage the water left behind.
The water was 7 feet deep in my basement, up to the ceiling of the basement. And so pretty much everything in there was drowned, and we took out a few things that we were trying to keep, some papers and pictures and stuff like that, but everything else is ruined. The walls are ruined and all the electronics are ruined and all the soft furniture is ruined.
Jack Walters is just one of the people in Madison affected by flooding. He has had to haul much of his stuff to the curb.
Our house is small and we needed that square footage to be in the house, so about half of everything we own is gone. That's tough.
This week, city crews are out picking up those damaged items. Patrol Sergeant Aaron Talich says the department has been receiving calls of people going through items left on the curb.
It's going to be definitely a slow cleanup. Normally if there's citywide cleanup, they try to do that in 4 days. In each one day in each part of town. This is definitely going to take longer than that. There's way more stuff. It's wet, it's moldy, it's nasty stuff.
While crews continue to clean up and homeowners work to move forward, people like Walters are happy to live in a community like Madison.
People have been so nice and so helpful, coming over and helping clean and cart stuff out. So that's been a positive in the midst of all the negatives.
Talich says the Red Cross is in town and is going around talking to people and assessing the damage. He says once they are done in the city, they will head out to the county.